Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, karibu sana. So in today's video, I want to show you a quick fix. We are having breakfast for dinner. Yes, I know, but you can have this for your breakfast or your brunch. So I'm making chicken and cheese sandwiches, but you can leave one ingredient if you don't have it and it will just be fine. So let's get into the video. I had some boiled chicken, a piece rather, so I just fried it in coconut oil, paprika, chili flakes, salt and black pepper.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back.
So the first thing I'm going to do is butter the bread on the outer side and then just place it like that. And for the other one, and like that. Then I'm just going to arrange this on the sandwiches. So let's do that.
Sometimes I lose my mind and some days.
For the sandwich filling, I have mozzarella cheese, the chicken that I fried, onions, red and yellow peppers, and I also have green chili.
Face the facts, the best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open enough.
For extra flavor, I grinded pink salt and black pepper.
Just to see if I won't put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I.
The first batch is already done. It came out so well. So I'm putting the second batch in and I will do this for the rest of the bread until it is done.
We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open enough just to see.
We are having the sandwiches with white tea. So I'm making rosemary tea, and normally I would use 1 cup of milk and 2 cups of water because we are 3. And then I'm also going to put the sugar inside and not afterwards so that it can cook all together and bring out the flavor.
Just to see if I won't put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. Dreaming in colors I never dream in. Oh yeah. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed.
We had a mango that had overripened in the fruit basket, so we decided to add that as well to our meal.
No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
It was so delicious, guys. The cheese was stringy, it was hot and moist. You should definitely try this recipe. You don't have to use the exact fillings. You can choose fillings of your choice and you will love it.
Higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher. Higher. Oh.
After we were done eating, we watched a series. Currently, we are watching The Rookie and we love it. So we lost track of time, but the dishes still had to get done. So that is what I'm doing right now. And then later on, I will clean the kitchen.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher. Higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher. Higher. Oh, you take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby. Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high. I've been high. Lately I've been
I'm cleaning the sandwich maker. I'll wait for it to dry before I can store it in the cabinet.
I'll let you take me down. 'Cause lately I've been high.
At the end of every day, we switch the dirty hand and dish kitchen towels for clean ones.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night.
I am using the Astonish Extra Strength Antibacterial Surface Cleanser to clean my countertops and my cabinet doors as well.
This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, oh, oh. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know what you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Now that I made a love potion for you. Hey, yeah. Little sweet spice. Yeah. Made a love potion for you. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel. But for now,
I really like waking up to a clean kitchen so that when you wake up, you can just whip up a quick breakfast and get ready for a new day.
I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love.
watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. It is so late. I don't know if you can see. It is okay, you can't see, maybe I'm overexposed. It is 1 or 2 a.m. So I was doing this clean at night. I hope you're motivated to clean your spaces as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you on my next one. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and it also helps grow my channel. Comment down below if you clean at night, if you clean in the morning, or if you even clean at all. And guys, subscribe to my channel. We are on a road to 5,000 subscribers. I'm hoping to do this, or rather to get to 5k by mid 2022, that is in June 2022, and I will be super glad if you came on board to help me out. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye guys.